Hello guys, today we are watching video about impersonate user. So for understand what is impersonate user. User can easily check another user's environment by using this module. User can jump back to his original environment after activity by impersonated user. Also, it is in control by group permission on user level. So features only available for specific users of your team. This module does not work for portal user. To impersonate portal user by internal user, please purchase our module Impersonate Portal user. So now let's go take a look at how to use this module. Go to the users. Here, first of all, configure to the user as a impersonate. So here you can see the impersonate group. So here two options is available: impersonate allow users and impersonate all users including restricted user. If you can select impersonate users and save it, then and go to the list and refresh. Here you can see the impersonate button on administrator. Here demo user, you can see here this is the impersonate user, restrict user. Here restrict impersonating. This is a restrict user, then the impersonate button is not displayed on this user. If you can remove this restrict option from this user, then you can see the impersonate button. If you can impersonate it by the demo user, then click on impersonate button. Now administrator is go to the demo user environment. This is all functionality of demo user, and you can use the demo user functionality by here. If you can go to our original environment, then go to the close impersonate button. If you can click on close impersonate button, then you can go to our original environment like impersonate user. Here if you can select second group like impersonate all users including restricted user. If select this group, then demo user and set a restricted impersonating. Here you can see if you can select a restricted group, then also impersonate this restrict user from impersonate button. This is all about impersonate user functionality. We are recommended this module can be used for staging, QA and development environment. Think before using in production environment, as we are allowing user pretend to be another user. You can also notify about our new videos, then please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.